Did you know allspice can be grown at home? Wondering if growing it yourself is a smart choice? Tips and insights for a successful allspice journey. Welcome to our channel. Today we'll be diving into a fascinating topic, growing your very own allspice tree at home. We'll cover everything you need to know, from what allspice is to the challenges of growing it in non-tropical climates. Stick around to find out if this is the right gardening project for you. Allspice, also known as pimenta dioica, comes from the dried berries of a tree native to the Caribbean and Central America. This spice is called allspice because it combines the flavors of cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves into one small berry. It's a key ingredient in both sweet and savory dishes, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. Yes, you can grow allspice at home, but it does come with its challenges. Allspice trees require a tropical or subtropical climate, so if you live in a region like Louisville, Kentucky, where winters can get cold, you'll need to keep the plants indoors during the colder months. Greenhouses or container gardening can help you overcome these climate challenges. During the winter months, you'll need to keep your allspice tree in a warm, sunny spot inside your home. Once the temperatures rise in the spring, you can bring it outside and let it soak in the sunlight. Just make sure to gradually acclimate the plant to the outdoors by moving it outside for a few hours each day until it's ready to stay outside full-time. Here's something important to know. Allspice trees are dioecious, meaning that male and female flowers grow on separate trees. To produce the allspice berries, you'll need both a male and female tree. Unfortunately, you can't tell the difference between male and female seeds, so you'll have to wait for the trees to mature and bloom to figure out which is which. Patience is key when growing allspice. It typically takes 5 to 10 years for an allspice tree to start producing fruit. If you're growing from seeds, it may take closer to 10 years, but trees grown from cuttings or grafts might bear fruit a bit sooner. While growing allspice sounds rewarding, it may not be practical for everyone. With the long wait for fruit production and the need for both male and female trees, you may find it easier to buy allspice from the store. But if you're passionate about growing your own spices and have the patience, this could be a fulfilling project. If you're looking for a quicker gardening project, consider other herbs and spices that produce faster results, such as basil, mint, or rosemary. These plants can thrive indoors or outdoors and offer a more immediate payoff for your efforts. So there you have it. Growing allspice can be a fun challenge, but it may not be the fastest route to fresh spices. Whether you decide to give it a try or stick to easier to grow herbs, remember that gardening is all about enjoying the process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow gardening enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks.